Schedule 8812 is where you figure the child tax credit and the credit for other dependents. Then attach it to your Form 1040. The credit is worth up to $2,000 per qualifying child under age 17 who has a Social Security number, and up to $500 for other dependents. Part of it can be refundable, meaning it can come back to you even if you owe no tax. Enter your name and Social Security number as they appear on your Form 1040. Line 1 is your adjusted gross income from your Form 1040. The credit begins to phase out once your income passes $400,000 for joint filers or $200,000 for everyone else. So this number sets up that calculation. Enter the number of qualifying children under 17 who have a Social Security number. Then multiply by $2,000. That product is your starting credit, before any phase-out or refundable limits, which the rest of the schedule walks through. The schedule then compares your credit to your tax and figures how much, if any, is refundable as the additional child tax credit. Double-check that each child has a valid Social Security number, the most common reason this credit is reduced or denied. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.